Good morning, my dear children. Myself, Uzma Siddiqui, going to tell you the story. And the name is The Rabbits. It is for class 1. Before going to story, I am requesting to you all, please subscribe our channel, click bell icon to get all channels notifications. So let's move to our topic, that is the rabbits. So my dear children, today I am going to tell you about the poem Two Rabbits. Which poem? Two Rabbits. Yes, the poet of the poem is anonymous, means no name, means he or she is hiding his or her name. So, rabbit, it is the animal which symbolizes as naughty and very fast. Naughty and very fast, and also look beautiful. Especially, I can say it that white rabbits. Have you seen white rabbits? Yes, white rabbits. So let's move to our poem. The Rabbits. Children, first I am going to read this poem because if I read this poem, you will be easily understand what is going in, right? Yes. Between the hills and the brook, oak, two rabbits sat in the sun, oh. And then they are the green grass, till all the grass was gone, oh. And when they eat enough, they sat down to have a talk, oh. When there came a man with a gun, and fired at them over the walk, oh. But when they found they were sound, not hurt by the gun, oh, they picked themselves up from the ground, and scampered away like fun, oh. So here I have read out the poem. After that I am going to explain the poem. Listen very carefully. Here the poet discusses about the rabbits. As I can say it, the fastness, the alertness of the rabbit. How they are fast in their physique and how they alert by the mind. So dear children, here poet describe in first stanza the two rabbits as sitting between the hills and also under the sun. They are very hungry. So that they have eaten all the grass which was over there till it was not finished. So in next stanza, the poet said that rabbits had eaten enough that filled their stomach. Meanwhile, they start talking and taking rest. And in that same place, they start talking and taking rest. But what happened after that? Yes, suddenly one hunter came over there and start firing on them. Now, the next stanza, which is the last stanza, the poet said that they found. Who found? Means rabbit found themselves safe from that hunters, because as hunters shoot by the gun, they immediately ran away by hearing the sound of the gun, and they picked up themselves from and ran away from the dangerous place. Both rabbits save their life with their alertness and danger. So, here the poet explained the fastness and alertness of the rabbits. They are beautiful, simultaneously they are very active and very alert by their physique. Now dear children, we come on our activity part, that very important to remember the poem. Fill in the blanks to complete this passage on rabbits. The picture will help you. Rabbits have long. What rabbit have long? Feather. Feather. Okay. Rabbit live for 10 years. Rabbits live for 10 years. Rabbits eats vegetables. Rabbit eats vegetables. They love eating carrot. They love eating carrot. Yes. Difficult words. Number 1, B-R-O-O-K, brook. B-R-O-O-K, brook. Number 2, G-R-A-S-S, grass. G-R-A-S-S, grass. Number 3, E-N-O-U-G-F, enough. E-N-O-U-G-H, enough. Number 4, G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. G-R-O-U-N-D, ground. Number 5, H-U-R-T, heart. H-U-R-T, heart. So my dear children, this activity I will do tomorrow also, and learn the poem with activity very sincerely. Okay, tomorrow I will listen this poem. Till then, bye.